Hey everyone, this will be just a very quick unboxing here of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I know I've already done these once or twice, but this is going to be another unboxing here. And get this on out. And this is a very cool color. So this is the Desert Titanium. It doesn't look as good on camera, I don't think, as it does in real life. That's pretty cool. We'll come back to that in just a second. So of course you also get your very nice cable here, and then you get your paperwork underneath that, and that's really about it. So again, big box, not a whole lot in it. This is of course $1,200 for 256 gigabyte version. I really wish you could see this better on the camera. This thing looks really cool. It's kind of like a gold white color, silver mixed in. Really cool. Alright, of course we have our new camera button, power button, our action button, I think is what they're calling that, and volume rocker, USB Type-C speaker as well. And this entire bit around here is like a gold brown color. Very nice, very premium looking a phone. Of course, for $1,200 it should be very premium looking. Very nice looking phone, guys. Like I said, very quick unboxing. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.